Hi guys, how are you? Would you like to play Tipper-Picker-Overs and learn numbers with us today? Great, then let's go. Okay, there are 5 red cones standing up and 5 blue cones laying down. Wheelephant, knock down the red cones that are standing up. And Billdozer, pick up the blue cones that are laying down. Torch, go get the whistle. Okay, Wheelephant, when I say go, tip over as many red cones as you can. And Billdozer, when I say go, pick up as many blue cones as you can. When Torch blows his whistle, stop. Okay, ready, set, go! Stop! Let's count our cones. How many cones do you have, Wheelephant? 1, 2. Way to go, Wheelephant! 2 red cones. Your turn, Billdozer. 1, 2, and 3. 3 blue cones. 2 red cones and 3 blue cones makes 5 cones. Well done, guys. You learned some numbers today. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Billdozer. Hi, Torch. How are you? Would you like to play the red game with us today and learn the color red? Okay, Billdozer and Torch. The first one to find 3 red objects in the meadow wins. Way to go, Billdozer! You found a red flower. Can you find 2 more red objects? Awesome, Torch! You found a red tomato. 2 more red objects to go. Great job, Billdozer! You found a red apple. 1 more red object makes 3. A red ladybug. 1 more red object makes 3, Torch. A strawberry. Whoever gets the red strawberry is the winner. So, who's the winner? Well done, you guys. You both agree to be winners. And you learned the color red today. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Crane. How are you? Would you like to find smiley faces with us today and learn colors? Great, then let's go. Okay, Crane. See if you can find the 5 smiley faces hidden in the trees. Awesome, Crane! You found the green smiley face. Let's find another smiley face. Awesome, Crane! You found the yellow smiley face. Let's look again. Way to go! You found the blue smiley face. What will the next color be? Great job, Crane! You found the orange smiley face. Here's just one more color. Well done, Crane! You found the purple smiley face. You learned lots of colors today. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Torch. How are you? Would you like to learn colors with us today? Great. Then let's go. Look, Trucktle is yellow. Would you like to learn another color? The color orange. Let's see what the next color will be. The color green. Okay, what's next? The color blue. The color purple. Well done! You learned lots of colors today. Would you like to review them? Yellow. Orange. Green. Blue. Purple. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Dump Trucks. Hi, Wheelephant. How are you? Would you like to learn the colors on the NBA basketball teams today? Great. Then let's go. Look, guys, the color red for the Cavaliers. Dump Trucks, can you shoot a basket? Awesome, Dump Trucks! You just threw the red Cavaliers basketball through the hoop. Your turn, Wheelephant. Look, a blue basketball. It's the Warriors. That's okay, Wheelephant. The Blue Warriors missed their basket, but are still in the game. Okay, dump trucks. Shoot your green basketball through the basketball hoop. You just threw the green Celtics basketball through the hoop. It's your turn again, Wheelephant. A purple basketball. It's the Lakers. Way to go, Wheelephant! You just threw the purple Lakers basketball through the hoop. Just like the NBA. You learned lots of colors today. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Billdozer. How are you? Would you like to learn numbers with us today? Okay, Billdozer. Let's learn your first number. Push one blue die into the first Meagle's cargo. Excellent, Billdozer. Now let's push 2 yellow dice into the second Meagle's cargo. Well done, Billdozer. That makes 2. Our next number is 3. Can you push 3 red dice into the third Meagle's cargo? Okay, let's go. Great job, Billdozer. Our next number is 4. Way to go! Our last number is 5. Can you push 5 purple dice into the fifth Meagle's cargo? Well done, Billdozer. You learned lots of numbers today. Would you like to sum this up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See you soon, my friends. Hi, dump trucks. How are you? Would you like to learn shapes with us today? Great. Then let's go. There are 5 animal parts hidden in the jungle, dump trucks. Each animal part is a shape. Excellent! A turtle shell is a shape. Put it in your trailer. What other animal part can you find, dump trucks? A paw print. That's a shape too. Okay, dump trucks. Let's find another animal part. Some animal has lost his teeth. Yes, the animal teeth are a shape too. Great job! Let's find another animal part. A deer antler. A deer antler is also a shape. Let's find another animal part. A peacock feather. A peacock feather is also a shape. Well done, dump trucks. You learned many shapes today. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Krusty. How are you? Would you like to play detective with us today and learn numbers? Great, then let's go. Okay, Krusty, put on your detective hat. There are 4 missing numbers in the jungle. We need you to find them. Let's find the number 1. That's right, Krusty, that's a stick, not the number 1. Way to go, Krusty! You found the missing number 1. Let's find the missing number 2. Great job, Krusty! You found missing number 2. Let's find missing number 3. That's right, Krusty. The letter B looks like the number 3. Awesome, Krusty! You found missing number 3. He was hiding behind you all along. There's just the missing number 4. Well done, Krusty! You found missing number 4. You're a great detective, and you learned many numbers today. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Trackodile. How are you? Would you like to learn letters of the alphabet with us today? Great, then let's go. Okay, Trackodile, let's learn your first letter. Find an object that begins with the letter A and put an A in front of the object. A is for airplane. Excellent, Trackodile. Airplane begins with the letter A. Look, there's the letter B. Excellent, Trackodile. Beach ball begins with the letter B. Look, there's another letter. The letter C. Way to go, Trackodile. Clam begins with the letter C. Look, there's the letter D. A donut. Excellent. Donut begins with the letter D. Yes, Trackodile, you should have a treat. You learned many letters today. See you soon, my friends.